Hello friends, it's Saurabh and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Biology with Saurabh. In this video, we are going to discuss some topic which is commonly come in the 9th unit of our CSIR net syllabus, which is called the diversity of life form. Usually we skip that topic, but it is sometimes useful. So I am going to make some videos about this. Whether you have not prepared that topic properly, it may be helpful for you. So let's start. In this video, we are going to discuss and classify the plant kingdom. So plant kingdom is up to type. The plant body which is undifferentiated, which do not have the root, leaf and stem proper structure, that is called the Thallophyta. Thallophyta is again divided into three types, that is the Chlorophyta or the green algae. The example is Spirogyra, the Phaeophyta or brown algae, the Rhodophyta or the red algae. When we go for the complexity of the plant body which is differentiated, which has proper root, stem and leaf, that is again divided into two types according to the presence and absence of vascular tissue. Vascular tissue means xylem and phloem. When xylem and phloem or vascular tissue is absent, that is classified as the Bryophyta. For example are moss and Phaneria. But when the vascular tissue are present, that is called the Tracheophyta, and Tracheophyta is again divided into its according to presence or absence of seeds. When there is no presence or absence of seeds, but it contains the vascular tissue, that is the Pteridophyta, and when the produce the seed, that is called Phanerogams. Again Phanerogams are divided into two types, that bear the seed inside the fruit or naked seed. When there is no flower, no fruit, but only seed is present nakedly, that is called the gymnosperm. But when flower is present, fruits is present, we classify that category as gymnosperm. And gymnosperm again classified into two categories according to its cotyledon. When there is single cotyledon, that is called the monocot plant, and when it have two cotyledon, that is called dicot plant. Hope this video will helpful for you. So please do like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Happy learning.